Okay, so Eagles. You want to know about Eagles? Many years ago, so Eagles began as Toastmasters in 2010, November 2010. And what I wanted to do was, I desired to learn to speak. Whatever I do, I want to know more about it. I want to know the intricacies of the thing I do. So I thought, how can I do it? And I heard about Toastmasters. So I walked into a Toastmasters, a friend of mine and I walked into a Toastmasters in November 2010. And I fell in love with the format, the structure of it, and the repetition. I love repetition. Every Wednesday I would attend. And then eventually over the years, we switched to more of an advanced speaking format. A couple members switched off. They went away from the group, the original group, and created Eagles. I went along with them. So I've been here since the start of it. And it's been nothing but amazing. And the beauty is having an active part in the development of it. And what we want to do is create something that helps our members to go out and speak professionally and speak effectively, and leadership too. That's intertwined in the whole Toastmasters journey. So you want to help them to not only lead effectively, but to speak and communicate effectively. Because communication is an art. It's not just opening your mouth and something comes out. It's opening your mouth with an intention. So this is why I love Eagles. And Eagles is continually flying higher and higher. With each member that comes in, we get better and better. So I'm really excited about the future. I'm really excited about what's to come. And we're just going to keep elevating and taking ourselves to that pinnacle of speaking.